welcome to Super Smash Bros. For the Wii U. This is part 2. I'm here with my brother Maverick. Alright, I can't forget about that intro. That is good. I'm not gonna do the intro every episode. Probably from now on out, I'm not gonna do that video at the start because the same video over and over will get annoying. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to choose somebody different this time, instead of the exact same thing. Why don't I be Wario? Who are you going to be? Mav?
I'm doing that.
Oh, Mav, remember? Oh my gosh, Mav's nunchuck isn't working well. Mav, remember, you unplug the nunchuck and plug it back in. I hate when that happens. It happens so often, I don't know, it happens so often to us at least, but I don't know if that's a common thing that happens, or if we're just crazy, something happened to us. Mav, were you Mr. Game & Watch last video? No, you were Lil Mac and then something. You're like Lil Mac and then you're, what, fitness girl? Wii fitness trainer or something? Anyways, let's do this one. This is a good level. I like this level. Alright. Here we come! Bonk! Bye-bye! Whee! Woo! It's the motorcycle of death! Woo! Yippee! Ow! My motorcycle of death! Ah! My motorcycle of death! My motorcycle of death is destroyed! No, my motorcycle! No! Stupid motorcycle of death!
Nuts! Here's some nuts! I made some good nuts for you! Where's your
Believe it or not, this bicycle is really hard to control. I'm just making it look easy. Help me, no! My gosh!
I just got that flower.
Oh, my super motorcycle of death! My motorcycle of death! Motorcycle of death! Woo! The motorcycle of death! Oh gosh! Stupid! You broke my motorcycle of death again! Ah! That's it. Ow, ow, ow. That's it. Skabooey! Ow! Oh god! Oh god! Oh! Let me take your organ, motorcycle of death! I shall plummet into victory.
I broke it.
I am plummeting into... I have never been Wario. Like I said, I was always Little Mac, but I was never anybody else. So it's definitely exciting that I've convinced myself to not be Little Mac. No!
Ah!
Ow! I didn't just get hurt by you because that would be foolish. I refuse to take that. I hit you with my motorcycle of death. Woo! The motorcycle of death saved me. Wait, let me see if that's true. What if that was true? No, the motorcycle of death doesn't want to save me. But still, thank you, motorcycle of death. Thank you.
I'm your motorcycle.
I hope we'll get to meet again. Oh, and Mav, I noticed in the last video nobody can hear your voice at all, Mav. You're very quiet. Well, you're not quiet, but normally since you're at the bottom of the bunk, I can never hear you. Okay, I'm gonna be... I've never... man. Was I Pikachu? No, I wasn't, because I was Lil Mac twice. Oh, gosh. No! Come on, last time we did what? What was it? It was, Lil Mac versus Little Mac. Oh, my gosh. Man, I wish I had a motorcycle of death. Instead of a motorcycle of death, I get to rocket my body into his face. You know? I don't think that me rocketing my face into them does more damage to them than it does to me. Like, I'm rocketing my head into them. Like, that's gotta be hurting myself more than anybody else. Oh my gosh, Pikachu has a Pokemon!
Well, Pikachu is a Pokemon.
Oh no, he totally is.
Whee! Thank you for a big
Die, Maverick, die! Da 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 da, die, Mav, die! Ah! Ah! Duh! I need my bicycle of death! This isn't fair!
I have my next skill of this.
Oh my gosh. How do you throw a tornado? Okay, if any of you know how to throw a tornado with this thing, then please tell me, please. Because right now I can't demolish Maverick well enough. So I always see, whoa. Okay, what if I'm sprinting? Scoot! No.
I figured out how to do my walking with walk and
Yeah. Oh gosh, this is. I need my motorcycle of death. It's a motorcycle. No, don't get the hammer. Thank you. Thank you for not getting the hammer. Did any of us kill either of us? Apparently so. What, did I kill you once or something? Yeah, I killed you. Wait, what? I killed you 3 times and you killed me once? I thought none of us killed each other at all. I'm so crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh jeez.
I'm gonna teach you how to do some exercise.
Oh gosh. Okay, well, that's all the time we got for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!